Today, take a look at the fanxiang S102 Pro. So that appears to be a standard 2.5-inch drive. We do have holes threaded in the side, so if we need to mount this in the case, we can do that. Standard SATA connection, and this is a 500 gigabyte drive. So I'm going to make a clone of this drive, and I'm going to be cloning a smaller 128 gigabyte drive. So I'm going to increase the capacity. Okay, we are copied. Okay, and that did show up right away. And that is working. And that is showing that it's 111 gigabytes, so we need to make that the full 500. So we go to disk management. And we can see we have 353 gigabytes unallocated, so I'm just going to right click on this volume. Then we'll go to extend volume. Next, next, finish. So there we go. Now we got the full 465. And if I refresh, now we're showing 465 there as well. So now let's do a speed test. Okay, so for the sequential 1 megabyte, 8 process 1 thread, we got 465 on the read and 456 on the write. For the sequential 1 megabyte, 1 process 1 thread, we got 395 and 398. For the random 4K 32 process 1 thread, 182, 177. And for the worst case scenario, random 4K at 1 process 1 thread, 24 and 47. So those are completely acceptable numbers for a solid state drive. So overall, that is a very nice hard drive.